Hello guys, this is Chawla and this is my demo about Open Mainframe Project Mentorship program called ZVM and Linux Modern Administration. So, what is ZLMA? It stands for ZVM and Linux Modern Administration. ZVMs are very similar. These are virtual machines that are specifically run on mainframe computers. These are very similar like how we run virtual machines on our computers through VirtualBox or like VM station, right? The thing is, to manage these servers on mainframes, we have to use 3270 traditional green screens or terminal screens, which are not very intuitive for new developers and also have a very huge learning curve. So, to solve this problem, we have created a web app which provides you most of facility you would need to manage your servers. It doesn't replace the 3270 screens, but yeah, it makes your interaction with them very less. We have different components of ZLMA. First is commands. Through this, you can directly execute commands on various LPARs directly from the browser. And second is consoles. This is the one place where you can fetch the console data of your Linux servers at one place. Third is Finder. This is one place where you can get all your servers at one place. And fourth is VIF virtual image facility. It is a collection of operations which make your management of servers easy. So, architecture of ZLMA. ZLMA runs on a Linux server on LPAR and provides a web interface to the user. It has a SQL server and interacts with the ZVM from VMCP. It also supports cross LPAR operations also. After this, we have some slides about the operations we support, but yeah, we're gonna see the demo in the browser. So let's quickly jump through this. First is Finder search. It is a center place where you can find your all servers, and plus you can also edit your data directly from this also. After this, we have a huge variety of VIF operations, but it would be great if we directly see how they works. So this is our web interface which provide us facility to interact with our LPARs or like ZVM servers. So the first operation is ZLMA Finder. So here all your servers in your LPARs would come. You can directly edit from there. Like if I put server 1, see, yeah. So after this we have VIF commands like VIF hype collect, hypervisor collect. It provides you information about a hypervisor. And after this we have some VIF VM commands. So the first is VIF VM create. So this is how you can create a VM through ZLMA. You provide a VM name and you provide its architecture. S3090X is very similar to like how Intel use. Like Intel and AMD uses x86, right? And Android uses ARM architecture for the chips. And I guess Mac also use the ARM architecture in its silicon, right? But yeah, S3090X is for mainframe computers. Here you can specify how many CPUs you want in your server and how much memory you want to allocate. You can also select the image which you want to put in that. You can directly create from here. Currently we are on the third level Linux, which is like Linux running inside a Linux and inside a Linux. So that's why it's a little bit slow. So, but yeah, it would create a Linux for you. After this we have VIF VM delete. Here we can provide the name of the VM and it will delete the VM from our servers. After this we can list our servers. It will provide us the names of current servers which are on our mainframe. Yeah. After this is VIF VM set. Here you can change your CPUs and memory on the fly. And you can change your current amount of CPUs or current memory. After this we have VIF VM stop. We have three operations basically: start, stop and stop all. Here you can start or spin up, or you could stop your existing servers. And yeah, this was about VM queries. After this we have query commands which we can use from there. First is VIF query active. It provides your all servers and tell you which servers are running and which servers are down. And WIF query configuration, it provides you like the current configuration of your ZLMA. And WIF query disks, it provides you disk information of your LPAR. And WIF query version, it provides you the version of which you are running for now. And WIF query network provides you like the network information about your mainframe. And WIF query performance, it provides your current performance, how much is the CPU usage, and like how much space you have left in the spool. And WIF VM configuration, here you can fetch the directory definition of your any VM. So directory definition is like the, you could say, like in the mainframes every machine has a directory definition in which its data is stored, like how many CPUs it have, where its disk is located. So yeah, it is like a, like you have grub like the configuration in like the Linux, right? It is very similar to that. And yeah, this was quite much about the ZLMA. And yeah, we can see various operations we have seen in the browser, like this is how the VM would be created, and we can set and change the CPUs. We have query commands, we have also seen that. Yeah, this is the some query commands. And yeah, in the last, I want to thanks all the mentors for providing me this opportunity, Mr. Isaac, Mr. Friesenegger, and Mr. Aazam. Yeah, yeah. So before wrapping up, this was a very good experience working with the legends, like the people with the experience of so much years, and I have learned a lot of through this mentorship. Yeah, thanks a lot.